Hi, I am Larman Madrilejos, your math teacher. If you have math questions or problem, shoot me an email. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you.
Good morning. Next topic is midpoint formula. Midpoint formula, what does it mean? It's the middle. Mid is the middle of the line. So this formula here, M is equals the middle of X, comma, the middle of Y. Okay? Or you use the formula x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2, or y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. So we're going to use the same example that we had on the distance formula. First thing we're going to do is identify our first coordinate. I'm going to use the r as the first coordinate. So this is going to be my x1, and it's going to be my y1. My s is going to be my second coordinate. The value of x is 3. The value of y is 15. Now I'm going to use this formula here. So I'm going to rewrite it here. The formula is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over 2. So we're going to substitute or plug in. Okay. I'm going to use the same formula over and over again. Okay, if you see this, I'm not going to change any formula here. So that's the formula. I'm going to just substitute the values of x. First is x sub 1. X sub 1 is negative 2. X sub 2 is 3. Y sub 1 is 3. And y sub 2 is 15. Okay. I'm going to write it here. The value of the first, so negative 2 plus 3, negative 2 plus 3 is 1/2. So 3 is larger than 2, and this is positive, so it's positive 1/2. Then 3 plus 15 here, it's 18 divided by 2. Let's simplify. The simplification of this is 1/2 can be written in decimal as 0.5. 18 divided by 2, it's simply as 9. So the midpoint of these two coordinates here is negative 5 and 9. Example number 2. I'm going to use the same question, the same problems that we had in distance formula. Example number 2 is going to be negative 5, comma 5, and 1, negative 2. So we have two coordinates here. The first coordinate I'm going to choose is this one here. This is going to be my x1, y1. It's going to be my x2, y2. Use the formula. The midpoint of x, comma, the midpoint of y. Use the formula. So now we're going to substitute the values. So the values of x1 is negative 5. The values of x2 is 1. The values y1 is positive 5. And the value of y2 is negative 2. if you see, I still use the negatives there, okay? Let me solve it here. So negative 5 plus 1, so we're going to subtract, but we use the sign of the larger number. Larger number is 5, the sign is negative, it's going to be negative 4 over 2. 5 plus negative 2, so this negative, positive times a negative is a negative, so this is going to be minus 5 minus 2, it's going to be 3 over 2. Let's simplify. Negative 4 over 2, or we divide, it's negative 2. Let's simplify this 2. We can make it fraction first. So what's 3.5 is like 1 and 1/2. Or if you want to rewrite that in decimal, it's going to be negative 2, comma 1.5. So my midpoint coordinates are negative 2, comma 1.5. Thank you.